So hello everyone. This video is also going to be a short video because in this video we are going to study about layer management. Okay, so this is a very short tools in AutoCAD, but it is the most important tool which will help you in working with the large drawing and data set. Okay, so one more thing guys, 117 students have enrolled in this mastering in AutoCAD course, but very few has given rating to us. So please give the rating as soon as possible. This will help me a lot. So moving toward our course, just open any one drawing. Okay, so as per our syllabus I have to study today color, line type, line weight, transparency. Okay, so first of all we will check the color, line type, line weight and transparency. Some basic things about these all we have already studied. For the color of a line, just for example, if you want to give the color of the wall as yellow or some another color instead of white, so what you have to do, you have to just click on the layer properties. Okay, which one? Layer properties. Okay, in layer properties you will see the wall layer. Okay, so you can change the color of the wall layer. Okay, like green, and click OK. Okay, and you can also change the line type. Line type means what type of line it is, means continuous line, dotted line, dash dot line. Okay, tomorrow we will cover the significance of line. I mean different types of line. So from here you can select the type of line. If your type of line is not present here, so just you have to just click on this load icon. Okay, and you can select different types of line from here. Just for example, if this is the continuous line now. Okay, so it will be continuous, and you can also change that line weight. Line weight means the thickness of line. When you apply the print command, means control P or plot command, then the line weight will appear there. Just for example, if you have given this 0.3 mm and click OK and just click here, so you can see the wall line has been, initially it will be of 0 mm thickness, but currently it is of 0.3 mm thickness. Also, as our syllabus, we have to check the color. You have seen the color of the line. Okay, and the line type. Line type means type of line, dash 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 dot etc. Okay, line weight we have seen just now, means when you increase the weight of line weight, then the thickness of the line also changes. Okay, and next is transparency. Transparency is used in the working on a large drawing data set. Okay, one another thing in line weight is how to turn off the line weight command. So you can see in the bottom of your AutoCAD, you can see this now. This is the line weight. When you click it off, then the line weight will automatically off, means it will be default as 0. But when you click on, means turn on this line weight, then the line weight will be turned on. Okay, again in our syllabus transparency, you can see all the things will be available in layer properties. Okay, so just go here and set the transparency as 50%, means our line will be hidden by 50%, not fully. As you can see, this will be dim. Okay, and our next thing is which layer visibility, freezing and locking of the layer. So it is the most important topic while you are working with the large drawing. Okay, so first of all let me undo all the settings. Okay, now how to lock a layer, how to isolate a layer, or how to isolate any element. Okay, so here is all the commands. Okay, in the layer properties, by the side of the layer properties you can see the freeze, lock and different types of the layer. Okay, so when you click on freeze button, this is the freeze, means when you click on this and select any freeze layer and click on wall and just press enter. So as you can see, when you click on freeze layer and click on the wall layer, all the wall layer has been frozen and or been hidden. Okay, so just press Ctrl J to undo it. Okay, and if you want to isolate a single layer, means if you want to isolate this dimensioning layer. Okay, so how you can do that? You have to just type LAYISO, lay ISO command. Which one? Lay ISO command. You can also see this icon here. Okay, in the layers tool palette. Okay, so just click on lay ISO and select on the wall layer or any layer you want to isolate. So just click on this and press enter. All the other layer other than wall layer will be isolated, means hid, it will be hidden automatically. Okay, and if you want to see it again, then you have to press lay on. To hide that, to hide a layer other than a particular layer, you have to apply the command lay ISO, means lay ISO, and to on the layer you have to apply lay on and just press enter. All the layer will come back again. Okay, so this is very helpful in working with the large drawings. Okay, and here is the layer states and layer filter. You can check it from the layer properties. You can do, means if you lock the layer, means for the wall layer, if you lock this layer. Okay, So wall layer will be locked, means just go to this drop down menu and just lock the wall layer. This is the lock icon, just lock it, means wall layer will be locked. You cannot edit, modify or do anything with this layer. Okay, just for example, this wall layer is locked. I select this and give the command erase. Okay, enter and select the object, but this cannot be erased because this layer is locked. Okay, so this will be helpful as per your convenience. You can use this. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then just mention it in the discussion section. Okay, and one more request: 117 students have enrolled in mastering in AutoCAD, but only few students have given rating to us. So please rate our course. This will be helpful for us. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.